What noise comes from a giraffe? By Craig McLean. For Molly. What noise comes from a giraffe? We all know it's true that a cow says moo. But what noise comes from a giraffe? He's hiding in the corner. We're not sure how, but a cat says meow. But what noise comes from a giraffe? To the pond and back, a duck says quack. But what noise comes from a giraffe? Whenever it suits, an owl says hoot. But what noise comes from a giraffe? Did you know this one is not a tree? It is a long giraffe neck. I hope you can see that image. Every single day, a horse says neigh. But what noise comes from a giraffe? To make a point, a pig says oink. But what noise comes from a giraffe? He's hiding over there. From near and far, a sheep says baa. But what noise comes from a giraffe? Look, 1, 2 sheep and a giraffe on a boat. The king of them all is a lion that says roar. But what noise comes from a giraffe? After all that fuss, it seems the joke is on us. There's only one noise that comes from a giraffe. What do you think it is? When they see something funny, they hold on to their tummy. Animals are making themselves into a giraffe. And they let out a giant laugh. Ha 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 ha! He says as he walks away. Bye, giraffe. The end.